Hey, what's going on? So just got out of work and a box came in for me. Let's see what's in there. Another box. Can you guess what it is? Give you a hint right here. And 3 brand new GoPro batteries. Nice digital charger. And we'll see how these batteries work. They can't be any worse than my GoPro batteries, so. Okay, there's the charging cord. It's right in the side. It's kind of nice. So usually GoPro batteries are $30 a piece. I got all 3 of these and a charger for $30. It's still 5 volt, 2 amp. The output's 4.4 volt, 650 milliamps. So the funny thing is in the description, it said these were 1800 milliamp batteries. They're not. They're 650 milliamp batteries times 3 equals 1800, or a little over. About 1950 to be exact. So we're going to go ahead and try it out, see how it works for $30. Can't really go wrong. It says in the directions to make sure you charge your batteries first. Start off with battery number 1. I also like they come in this nice case. That's pretty cool. I'll set my camera down for a minute. Alright, let's go ahead and plug in the first one. %. Second one. %. And the third battery. Again, 99%. 100% actually. So good. It says to charge them to 100%. I'm going to let those other 2 get to 100, and then I'm going turkey hunting. So stay tuned. Hopefully shoot a big old gobbler tonight.